Good morning, dear students. Today I want to take math subject for class 3rd standard. Last period in unit first, we know already about the sides and corners and diagonals. Now, today in unit 2, I want to teach you solid cylinder and hollow cylinder. What? Today's topic is solid cylinder and hollow cylinder. The house you are living in is built of walls. What we need to construct walls? Walls are formed by keeping bricks one above the other. How? One above the other, we keep the bricks with the help of sand mixed with cement. Houses will be bigger as the walls became big in size. Activity: 25 coins and 25 bangles are kept on a table. Now place them one above the other. One activity is here. What activity? 25 coins and 25 bangles are kept on a table. Now place them one above the other. But dear students, I have only few coins. They told us 25 coins. I have few coins. Listen. Keep all the coins above one another. Above one another. This is one activity. And what they told? 25 bangles. I have some bangles. For example, I show you. You try in your house. I kept them one above another. What is the activity? 25 coins and 25 bangles. But I have some coins and some bangles. Listen what they told. Like this I arrange. Like this I arrange these coins one above another and bangles also. These shapes are formed. What are these shapes called? These are called 3D cylinder shapes are formed when coins and bangles are placed one above the other. Remember, when coins are placed one above the other, we get a solid cylinder. What? Remember students, when coins are placed one above the other, we get a solid cylinder. I show you already. Coins I kept here one above the other. So we get here which cylinder? Solid cylinder. They show we already we saw in that picture. Next one is bangles. How we when bangles are replaced? Bangles are placed one above the other. We get hollow cylinder. Hollow means hole. Here in your activity they show you. Here they arrange the bangles one above the other. Here I also arrange the bangles one above the other. One above the other. See here dear students, one above the other I arrange the bangles. Now what is different in these two shapes? They told us that this is solid, this is hollow. If bangles have got here hole, so it is called hollow cylinder. This is called solid cylinder because it has no space. But the bangles have here middle one space is here, so we call it hollow cylinder, and it has no space. It is called solid cylinder. So similarly, exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Complete the following table. Complete the following table. In last period already we know shapes, sides, corners and diagonals. This is the what is the shape? This is triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3 sides. 3 sides. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. How many diagonals? It has 3 diagonals. How? This is one diagonal, this is another diagonal, this is one more diagonal. So corner has 3 diagonals. The shape of corner has 3 sides, 3 corners and 3 diagonals. This is shape of square. This is shape of square. Square has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. And how many diagonals are there? Here is only 2 diagonals. 1 and 2. 2 diagonals. And the shape of rectangle. Here also how many sides? Rectangle also have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, corresponding sides are equal to each other. In rectangle, corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding sides are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. How many diagonals? Is it dot? No, dot line. 1, 2. 2 diagonals. This is our exercise 1.1. I think you all are understand it. Do in your house practice with the help of your parents. Complete the following table. Here are these are shapes: triangle, square and rectangle, sides, corners and diagonals. In exercise 1.1 number 2, complete the following statement and write true or false. Read the following statement and write true or false. What they told us? Write true or false. Dear students, a triangle has 4 sides. They told us triangle has 4 sides, but here see the triangle. How many sides? 1, 2, 3. So this is wrong. This is wrong. First one is wrong. False. Second one, triangle has 3 corners. See the figure of triangle. 1, 2, 3. So how many corners? It has. The triangle has 3 corners. Right. True. A quadrilateral has 3 sides. A quadrilateral has 3 sides. No. False. A quadrilateral has 4 corners. True. Last one, a quadrilateral has no diagonals. This is false. Here also, in third activity, observe the given figures and mark 2D. 2D means 2-dimensional objects by right mark and 3D objects by cross mark. So these are the pictures. These are the pictures. Rectangle has 2 diagonals. So this is what? 2D. This is 2D. 2D means 2 diagonals. It has 2 diagonals. Then cylinder has 3 diagonals. A tin has also 3D object. Tin is also 3D objects. So it is crossed. This is box. This is box. It has 3D objects. Cross. Circle has 3D. Because if diagonal, this is its center point, radius is there, and so many diagonals are passing from that point, so it is also more than 2 diagonals, so it is also called 3D object. And cross has also triangle has also already I told in last in exercise number 1.1 in first option I tell you it has 3 diagonals, 1 2 3, so it is also 3D object. Thank you.